Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Honda CB1000R Black Edition. 2022 CB1000R Black Edition. Base MSRP $12,999 tooltip asterisk. Destination charge $475. Freight surcharge $300. Better in black. Face it, for a whole generation of riders out there, nothing can match the combination of power, torque, and performance an open-class inline 4 can deliver. And when you wrap that engine up with a no-nonsense chassis like our Honda CB1000R, the result is spectacular. To make it even better, we've given it a graphic treatment as powerful as its engine, black on black, understated yet elegant, and touched with some tasty machined highlights. They give the CB1000R Black Edition a handcrafted, custom look that stands out wherever you ride. Features like a digital instrument display, underseat USB port, and a quick shifter keep it cutting-edge modern even though the performance is old-school timeless. Features: CB1000R Black Edition. Slipper/assist clutch. This innovative design hooks up tight to get all the CB1000R Black Edition's power to the ground, yet still offers a light pull at the clutch lever. Plus, the slipper design helps mitigate rear wheel hop during aggressive downshifts and deceleration. 3-level quick shifter. The CB1000R Black Edition features a 6-speed manual gearbox, but with a key difference: this one comes with a quick shifter. That means you can upshift without the clutch under full power. Plus, the shifter also aids in downshifting and is adjustable for 3 shifter levels: soft, medium, and hard. This is race bike spec, built for the street. Blacked out exhaust. From the 4 head pipes all the way to the end of the muffler can, the CB1000R Black Edition's exhaust is a harmonizing symphony of black tones. The system not only sounds great, but it's a major contribution to the bike's overall look. 5-inch TFT instrument display. Check out the instruments on the CB1000R Black Edition. You get a big, bright, 5-inch TFT, thin film transistor, display that gives you all the information you'll need while riding. Honda Selectable Torque Control. A great system that combines the CB1000R Black Edition's old-school raw horsepower with a modern power delivery that keeps the bike hooked up and the power flowing under a wide variety of surface conditions. Special gearing. We fit the 2022 CB1000R Black Edition's close ratio 6-speed transmission with gearing designed to emphasize the bike's awesome acceleration. Crack the throttle and you'll feel it instantly. Throttle by wire. The CB1000R Black Edition uses our throttle by wire system. In addition, we've given it 4 riding modes: standard, sport, rain, and user. The last one lets you choose between 3 settings for each parameter and save the settings.